Hello. It's time for another exciting open house, and an important part of McMillen High School is our PTSA. We invite you to advocate for your child by joining our PTSA, because increasing our membership, even by one, makes it possible to give back to McMillen. Every year PTSA provides 2 scholarships for McMillen alumni. Since 2019, we've given $5,000 in grants to 17 McMillen teachers for things like attending conferences, subscriptions, or classroom materials to benefit our students. These are just a few ways we support the critical academic needs of our school. We invite you to support our PTSA by becoming a member, because we can do more together than apart. You can join by going to mcmillenptsa.org/join. It will take you less than 5 minutes. As a member, you'll gain access to discounts and perks through your membership with Texas PTA. To stay informed about everything our PTSA is doing, I encourage you to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or visit our website at mcmillenptsa.org. There is no wrong way to be involved. Anything you can give, whether it is time or money, is an investment in your child, and goes toward building a stronger, more inclusive school community. How will you PTSA?